Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 20th September 2024. The Adani Group has emerged as a frontrunner in the race to acquire the promoter's 46.64% stake in ITD Cementation India to bolster its in-house civil engineering capabilities. At current market value, a successful deal would be pegged at $700 million, inclusive of a fully subscribed open offer that will follow a promoter stake purchase. Reliance Consumer Products is intensifying competition in the Indian soft drinks market by expanding its Campa range at half the price of Coca-Cola and PepsiCo brands. This move has promoted Coca-Cola and PepsiCo to increase promotions, though they have not yet reduced prices. The festive season could see further developments in this cola price war. Foxconn-backed Sharp is seeking an Indian partner to establish a display fabrication facility under the India Semiconductor Mission. The Japanese company aims to leverage its expertise in large displays and collaborate with a strong local player. This venture could help Sharp rejuvenate its business and meet the growing demand for larger screens in India. In accordance with the latest circular from the Income Tax Department, it has raised the minimum threshold for filing appeals to the Income Tax Appellate Tribunal or ITAT and the High Courts and Supreme Court. According to the latest circular of CBDT, the Tax Department is allowed to file appeals if the disputed tax demand is more than Rs 60 lakh for ITAT, Rs 2 crore for the High Court, and Rs 5 crore for the Supreme Court. This was done in a bid to decrease the number of lawsuits and come up with a mechanism that would see tax litigations of relatively small amounts being handled at lower tiers. ITAT had been fixed at Rs 50 lakh, Rs 1 crore for the High Courts, and Rs 2 crore for the Supreme Court in the year 2019. The increase in limits shows the government's plan to relieve the judicial bodies and make the process of tax dispute resolution much lighter. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.